What Jesus said about children. Jesus' teachings and actions concerning children are highlighted several times in the Gospels, where he emphasizes their importance in the spiritual life in the kingdom of God. Bible verses. 1. Mark 10:13-16. Here, Jesus explicitly welcomes children, rebuking his disciples who try to prevent them from coming to him. He states, "Let the children come to me, do not hinder them, for to such belongs the kingdom of God." Mark 10:14. He further exemplifies the acceptance of the kingdom of God must be like that of a child. "Truly, I say to you, whoever does not receive the kingdom of God like a child shall not enter it." Mark 10:15, 14-3 source. 2. Matthew 18:2-4. In this passage, Jesus uses a child to teach about greatness in the kingdom of heaven, urging his followers to turn and become like children to enter the kingdom of heaven. He equates humility with greatness in the spiritual realm, saying, "Whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven." Matthew 18:4, 14:17 source. 3. Matthew 19:14. Again, Jesus emphasizes the significance of children within God's kingdom, instructing adults not to hinder children from coming to him because the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these. 14:19 source. Relevant examples. Jesus blesses the children brought to him, physically laying hands on them as a sign of acceptance and blessing. Mark 10:16, 14-3 source. He uses a child as a model for his teaching on true greatness and humility in the kingdom of heaven, demonstrating the child's status as an exemplar of spiritual receptivity and humility. Matthew 18:2-4, 14:17 source. 3 main takeaways. 1. Humility and trust. Jesus teaches that the qualities found in children, humility, trust, and openness, are essential for anyone who wants to enter the kingdom of God. 2. Value of children. He affirms the intrinsic value of children, countering the cultural norms of his time which often overlook them. 3. Receptive to all. Jesus' readiness to receive and bless children exemplifies his welcoming and inclusive approach, showing that everyone is worthy of receiving God's love, regardless of social status or age. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents. Welcome to our family. https://jesusleadershiptraining.com/about us/